Hey there, welcome back to another video tutorial. I'm Mark and I'm here with Cora.
Hi guys, I'm super excited because today we're going to be drawing the Easter Bunny.
That's right, and the Easter Bunny is going to be cool because it's going to be coming out of an egg, a cracked egg.
Like it was
yeah, it's
born.
or like it's a surprise or something, right? But it's going to be fun. So, like the button down below that you like our channel, and let's get started. So, we'll grab our sheet of paper, we can grab a Sharpie, and what we'll do here, we'll start with the Easter egg, and this will be at the bottom lower part of our page because we'll have the Easter Bunny's head and his ears at the top, okay? So what we'll do is we'll draw a curve like this. That's gonna be one side of our egg. And we can go over here and we'll draw the other side of our Easter egg like this. And we're gonna decorate the egg too. We can do all kinds of cool shapes. Now at the bottom, we left this open because at the bottom, let's have our egg sitting on some grass. So we'll do some like little grass shapes, just like that. You can kind of do as much as you want, like that. And then you can put some little blades, extras on some of them. Okay, so there's our grass. Now at the top of our egg, we're gonna have that part cracked. So we'll go and we'll just try not to go too high above, all right? Because our head's gonna be up in this area. So go and make some like, kind of like triangular shapes.
So the egg looks like cracked.
But it's cracked, yeah. You can do one smaller and one like maybe bigger. Because like a crack, it's kind of like all varies.
It's
unique, exactly.
Yeah, like
they're not all perfectly the same, yeah. Okay, so that's the top of our egg that's cracked. Now, before we decorate the egg, let's go and do the Easter Bunny's head. So what we'll do with the head is you can make whatever shape you want. I'm going to make an oval shape, like a sideways oval shape, and I'm going to keep my lower part away from the cracked eggshell pieces. So I'm going to start in the middle here, and I'm going to leave some space for his ears, and I'm going to go like this. I'm going to come down. I'm going to go flat, and then I'm going to round like that.
My bunny has a long head.
That's all right. Okay, I'm going to draw two eyes, and his eyes are going to be nice round eyes. You can make small eyes, you can make big eyes. It's all up to you, whatever you want. Now inside the eye, I'm going to make a circle and a smaller one just under it. And I'm going to do the same on both sides. So the same size, a large one and small one. And then since I have my black Sharpie, I'm going to color in the eye.
So the eye looks glittery and shiny.
Yeah, so the eyes have like a
pretty,
glitter, glossy, shiny effect with those two little highlights. So we'll do that. Okay. And now for my nose, I'm going to draw like this little heart shape for the nose. And from the bottom of my heart, I'm going to go over to one side. And then I'm going to go over to the other side like this. Yep. I'm going to do two little curved shapes on the edges of his lips. And then if you want to put teeth in there, like two bunny rabbit teeth, you can. So I'm going to come down like 1 and 2. Yep. And if you have some space, you can do like a little eyebrow or eyelash like that. You can do 2 eyelashes.
I'm going to do eyelashes because mine's going to be a girl.
There you go, yeah. And then you can do some whiskers. So right around here, I'm going to do 3 whiskers out to one side, and then I'll do 3 to the other side. Okay. Now we're missing the ear, so let me go and I'll put one ear over there, and it's going to be narrow at the bottom. It's going to be wider at the top. Yep. And then we'll do another one. We'll just go inside of this and we'll do a shorter one like this.
Yeah, so it's kind of like the inside ear.
That's right. And then on the other side, I'll do the same thing. And this doesn't have to be exact. It can be whatever you want it to be. And then we'll do another smaller one on the inside, just like that. Okay, now we have the Easter Bunny's head. Let's draw the body.
Yeah,
so
like it's gonna be like a floating head.
Right, so I'll make a curve, 2 curves like this.
There's
the body. There you go. Now, you guys can have fun and do whatever kind of pattern you want on the Easter egg. So it doesn't matter what it is. You can follow us, or you can do and be creative, do whatever you want, right? So I'm just gonna go and do a squiggly line like this, like a waterfall squiggly line. And then I'm gonna follow it. So it's like a stripe of squiggly shape.
I'm gonna make mine like have like these like the curve
Yeah.
at the top and then some squiggly lines.
That's cool. Yep. And I will do the same as you, but I'll just do that at the bottom of my egg.
Then I'm gonna draw some circles at the bottom. And I'm gonna draw these lines at the top.
Yep. And I'm gonna draw some hearts in mine.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna draw some hearts at the bottom.
I knew you were gonna like that one. Who doesn't like hearts?
Boys.
There we go. And oh, I like those stripes at the top. And I'm just gonna draw some.
It kind of looks 3D for some reason.
It does. It's really cool. Okay, so there's our Easter bunny with a cracked egg coming out of an egg. So how about we color this in?
Yeah, I'll start pouring it in.
All right, so for our Easter bunny, we'll color in pink for the inside of the ear, and we'll do a pink nose, and then
like do a lighter pink here, so
yeah, lighter pink, and then you can do a darker pink for the nose. It's up to you, whatever you guys want to do. And then our Easter bunny is going to be white, but the Easter egg,
it's
you guys,
be colorful.
Yeah, and you guys color in whatever color you want for the Easter egg.
I'm gonna make mine have like a pattern of colors.
All right, guys, there you go. We just finished our Easter bunny. What do you guys think? I hope yours turned out just as cool as ours did. Don't forget, click the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you all next time.
Bye.
Bye.